boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Nolan Taylor here with a song called 500 or 500 Miles. Alright, because recently he released this version of it called 500. That's the same song as 500 Miles. That is a couple of years old now. So this one is based upon the recent upload there of this 500 song. And with that, he doesn't play with any capo. So it's a bit lower than previous times we had a capo on the second fret. So yeah, you have that with you. We're gonna go with this latest version. No need for any capo on this one, but the chords are the same. So let's dive into this, and we're gonna start with the chords. We have first the C G chord. All right, so that is third on E, third on A, and then second D, open G, first B, and open E. Alright, the next chord will be the G. I'm going to show you two versions of it. I suggest that you play this bar chord version, and that's a bar placed on the third fret over all strings. And then you have the added 5th A, 5th D, and 4th G. Then you take the next chord here, that's the F sharp, and that is just the same, very same grip as the G bar chord, and you move it one fret away from you, so you land with the bar finger on the second fret. Everything else is the same and just follows there. 4th A, 4th D, and 3rd G. That's the F sharp. And then you have the F. You just continue with the same grip there and move it one fret away from you again. Land with your bar finger on for the first fret now, and then everything else follows there. 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. So that's the reason for having G like the bar. But sometimes we have the G like this. All right, so I'm gonna give you that as well. That is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd E, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Yeah, so that's the two choices of G there, because the next chord you could go with would be the final G there, and that is close to the C G like this. So if you feel that that is more convenient to go with this standard G without the bar, it's your choice. So there we have all the chords needed for a song. Let's go for this C G chord, since that is the first, and learn the strumming pattern. So one round of strumming goes down, up, like this. Right, and this is a little bit by feel. This is what he plays mostly, and sometimes not. So you have that with you. This is a standard strumming pattern that works for this song, and it's played a lot in this song also. So down, up, down, like that. All right. Let's go into the song, and we have one chord progression that goes from the beginning till the very end. And it goes C, G, 4, 3, 4, and then G, 3. I suggest this bar version. And then you hit one extra down on it. Then you go to the F sharp and hit just one down on it. You just land on the F sharp chord. And then you go to F and play 4 strumming rounds. And then you play C, G2. And the final chord is G2. And here you can choose to go to the bar or the standard G. I go to the standard G and play 2 rounds. And that's it. You play like that from the beginning until the very end. One round will go like this. Alright guys, so Nolan Taylor's nice guitar song called 500 or 500 Miles. So, hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave a comment on this one and like it if you wish. And till next time, play tuned.